Christmas cheer. Then go away. You'll find none here. Someone needs more things to do. When I look up, it's always you. I have no time for ho-ho-ho. Please take your food and go, go, go. If you came here to find a fillet of roast beast, you won't find one here. No, not in the least. It's so hard to sleep with that little light on. So choose what you want, and please be gone. Don't stand there and let the cold out. Be careful, you'll let the mold out. This food isn't going to stroll out, so make up your mind. From freezer to drawer, there's much to explore. But your time is now up, so goodbye, shut the door.